The Law and Liberty Tour is coming to Houston in November. These videos are designed to give you a foretaste and to whet your appetite concerning the topic of biblical law.
I think you meant all the concepts of positive law, natural law, or state law, and so on as a substitute to God's law when you talked about all these other concepts. And I think it's important here to point to what Vernon said, that there's only two religions. Now the main issue, I'll bring it even further back, the main issue in history has always been the sovereignty of God or the sovereignty of man. That's what we today in many churches just miss, that fact that it's the sovereignty of God versus the sovereignty of man. Now it's not just a sovereignty that's out there that's completely mystical. It's a sovereignty that applies to our lives today, and it applies to our lives today in a very clear, ethical, judicial way. And this is whose law is out there, whose law determines our behavior. And if we don't have the law of God, then we have the laws of man, and we're falling into the same temptation that we see in the garden. You shall be as gods, knowing good and evil. That means determining good and evil for yourselves. That's why would we want to do that if we're Christians? We want to go back to the law of God instead of trying to be as gods and determining our own standards of good and evil.
The Law and Liberty Tour is coming on November 23rd, 2013. Please follow the link below for more information or to register and join us in Alvin, Texas. We hope to see you there. Thank you very much.